Let me show the operation of 500 watts shortwave amplifier with the touch screen, a TFT touch screen, and a couple of SD2933 MOSFETs inside. The LPF band switching can be made in automatic mode using the external band decoder, as I do for my ISO transceiver, and can be made also by fingertips. Well, the single voltage power supply is needed, 50 volts. I'm using a flat pack too, with the voltage of 53.7 volts. The reference power meter is a Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands. I will drive it with the ISO transceiver. The power is rather high, but it's connected to amplifier input through 6 decibel attenuator. To prevent the high-level ALC spikes in output power of transceiver. Internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird. Let me show. We see 500 watts on Bird, same level on the power meter. But this amplifier is made for excited power as high as 20 watts, so I could raise it here up to 80 watts, which is exactly 20 watts after the 6 decibel attenuator. Well, let me show how it works, starting from 160 meters. Maybe slightly less. Well, next step is a CW manipulation. My radio has a little bit higher peak power in SSB mode. We can see it on the amplifier screen. Well, let me return to 20 meters in the packet mode. I choose the 20 because it's the central frequency of shortwave bands. Now I will show the protection system operation. At first I will replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25 ohms using this coaxial switch. Now if I try to operate, I see the highest WR protection and high current protection due to mismatch. To reset the protection, I have to switch off the main switch. Meanwhile, I will reduce the driving power. To show that amplifier will operate at SWR 2 to 1, but it's not a good idea because of mismatch. The efficiency will be reduced. Okay, if I add few watts on input, protection system will be enabled. Well, now I will return the 50 ohms dummy. Normal driving level. Well, if I try to overdrive the amplifier, on this band we see that the high current protection is enabled. Say on 10 meters and megacycles, if I try to overdrive, high power protection will be enabled. This is the band with the highest power. Now I return the normal 80 watts from transceiver, 20 watts on amplifier input, and will show that everything is okay, it's working. Well, that's enough for this amplifier.